Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So basically we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Let's stop. Now let's scroll down, and in this device basically the eye comfort mode or night mode means a reading mode. So let's tap on it. I've got it turned on, so let me quickly turn off. After entering this option, you've got two more options like reading mode and schedule. Let's first of all focus on the reading mode. Let's tap on this switcher, and before we will start, let me switch to the light mode, because thanks to it you will be able to see the differences, the changes in the screen. So as you can see here, we've got it, and after turning it on, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We've got two different modes in this whole reading mode option, the cycle one and the classic one. The classic one is currently applied. You can set the cycle one just by tapping on this option. However, it is based on the up types and sunrise and sunset times. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. I prefer the classic one, so just tap on it. If you want to customize it, just tap on this arrow here, and right here we've got the preview. So we've got the photo on which we can check how the mode will affect the colors. Right now we've got it right in the middle in this switcher, so let's say on the neutral level. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer, so you can see a clear difference and how it affects the color. Here we've got also the texture option. So let me go back to the neutral one, because here you will be able to see the difference. I hope so. Just by using this texture we can apply the paper-like texture to the background. I hope that probably here you can see it. So right now we've got a smooth background, and by going to the right with this switcher we can make it a little bit sharper and noisy. I'm not sure how to explain it. However, the difference is really visible, especially if you see it with your real eyes, not on the video. So also it's totally up to you whether you want to use this texture option or not. We've got also the colors, which means that we can decide how we will see the colors. The full colors, of course, the full options, which will be a little bit affected by the mode. Obviously, we can also use light colors, which means that all of the colors displayed on our device will be a little bit dull and washed out, as you can see clearly on this wallpaper. Or we can use black and white, so everything will be displayed in the monochromatic way. So that's totally up to you which option you prefer. I think full colors, and you can restore defaults if you want to get back to the defaults. Alright, so that was the customization. You can also schedule that feature. So just by tapping on the switcher you can either choose good night's read, which means that your device will use the location to decide when the sunsets and sunrises are, and it will automatically turn on and off the reading mode. Or you can custom the period, so simply choose the start time and the end time. It's totally up to you. And then your device will apply the reading mode accordingly, of course, between the start and the end time. I think I prefer the manual option, so let me turn off the schedule. And that was the whole customization of this feature. And if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar, and here we should find the specific icon. And unfortunately I did not see it here, but that's okay. Simply tap on edit and we will open more options. It will be also easier because I can see the name of the icon. I have no idea why they are not displayed normally. So if you cannot find the night mode right here, or the reading mode actually, in this section, simply scroll down and here we should be able to find it. It is right here. Let's tap on this plus icon and it will appear in this section. Tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner to confirm, and as you can see we've got it. So now simply tap on it to apply the option. You can see that the screen changes a little bit, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.